Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So a dual citizen, American and Jamaican national, was killed in Jamaica recently. And we got this news update a long time ago before it even hit Jamaica, before the Jamaican press even started running it. But we wanted them to run it so we can hear from them what was happening and also combine that with the international media and international news together. And I'm also going to tell you my personal opinion because, as you guys know, Westmoreland, I'm a place. I just did a whole vlog about Westmoreland, traveling from Sav all the way to Negril, and in between Sav and Negril you have places like Little London, Sheffield, and more. So let's get into the Westmoreland police are probing the shooting death of an American national in Sheffield in the parish on Saturday night. The deceased have been identified as 43-year-old information technology consultant Timothy Harper of Sheffield District in Westmoreland and Delaware in the United States. According to media reports in Delaware, Harper had dual citizenship in Jamaica and the United States. Police reports are that around 9:05 p.m., Harper was picking up his wife from work when an armed man approached his vehicle and opened fire, hitting him multiple times in the chest. The gunman then fled the area before the police were alerted. Harper was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. It's not clear if his wife was harmed in the incident. No motive have yet been established for this killing. So I went on his social media page and I did a bit of digging, and what I realized with this dual citizen is that he have a Jamaican wife, which he loves very much, and she looks like she loves him also. But one thing that stood out to me about his online persona and online images and what he posted on social media was that he looks like he was associated with some form of business in Little London, Jamaica. As you guys can see, this flyer that was made from scratch by him, okay, and it says TNT Little London, and it was actually hand painted by him, it looks like, and put up in some establishment in Jamaica. So he either had a business or he was a partner in business with somebody in Jamaica. And what I'm thinking is he owned a bar or something of that sort, because as you guys can see in this last picture, you can see that he is actually promoting a party, and it's the second annual Groove Yardies. And one thing I know with Little London is that if you have a business, people have the tendency to try to extort you. People will stick you up for money and stuff like that. That's Little London for you. Have to be very careful. As far as getting shot in Sheffield, you just run up in Sheffield District, Sheffield PO, Westmoreland like that and kill somebody from that area. A lot of people have said in the past that Sheffield people, or Sheffield men to be exact, are one of the wickedest men because they're known for chopping up people when they come into Sheffield neighborhood. So I don't know if he was trailed from Little London, his business place, and actually shot and killed in Sheffield, where they thought it would be easy to get away. But a motive for this, I'm thinking, is that he was either being extorted, or I honestly just came from Jamaica and I don't think I felt the temperature in Jamaica. I don't think people just get killed in Jamaica just like that for no reason. Especially a person like him. Most of the time, they do not kill American nationals. It's either they're being extorted or something went awry and it's personal. It has to do with other businesses trying to kill the competition. That's something that has happened in Jamaica for a while and it's well known. So I don't know what the motive is, but I'm going to say it's either extortion, it's personal, or business. One out the three, because people don't just run up on you and kill you like that in Jamaica. Honestly, truly, I just came from Jamaica, and you guys know I report these incidents a lot of times, and I wanted to go to Jamaica and just feel the climate, like sit in and observe my people. Jamaica gets a lot of bad name, and most of the time when stuff like this happen is because they're either being extorted, the competition is trying to kill all the competition, or it's simply personal. Okay, and I know a lot of people are going to say that a lot of people that get killed don't nothing, they don't have anything to do with anything, they just get killed just because. And quite honestly, after going to Jamaica, I honestly do not believe that. I feel like there always some underlying issue that we may not know about, and that's why they get killed. So for everybody, I'm going to insert a clip at the end of this video, and that was taken recently when we left Jamaica. And this is a clip from Little London to Sheffield. Okay, I fast forward the clip. If you haven't been to Jamaica recently, you can also slow it down and watch it. But I'm a place this. These are Westmoreland, I'm a place. So I wanted to actually go in and sit in and see what was going on. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
What are we order change? I have better to send out